In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix iPhone ghost touching or unresponsive or even erratic behaviors instantly. So the first things first, I want you to simply go ahead and remove accessories. So take off the case and any screen protector as dirt or pressure causes false inputs as well. Try to wipe the display with a dry lint-free cloth to remove sweat, grease, or moisture. Also try to force restart, and this clears your temporary software glitches, and all you need to do is press and release the volume up, volume down button, and then simply hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Also disconnect the charger, so non-Apple or faulty chargers can also cause screen interference. So that is about it. If none of those work, then try to go ahead and visit an authorized service provider like an Apple Store. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.